Hello friends. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can export only the audio from the VN application. Usually, we export videos using the VN app, but you can also export just the audio very easily. Let me show you how to do it. First, open the VN application. Here, I've already opened it. Now, choose your project. I'm going to select my first project from here. As you can see, this is a video file. But we want to convert it into audio only. We don't want to export it as a video, just as audio. To export only the audio, look at the arrow icon at the top. Click on that export arrow. Now, after clicking, you'll see the option, Export Audio Only. Turn this option on. Once it's turned on, you'll see the export button. Click on that. Now, as you can see, the audio is being exported. It will be done in just a few seconds. And here it is, the audio has been exported successfully. Now you can share it anywhere or just play and listen to it. So, this is how you can easily export just the audio from a video using the VN application. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next interesting video.